Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create this festive look. This look is great if you want to wear it for a party, wedding or any Indian festival. So to start off my makeup with, I am using the Biotic under eye cream. This stuff is amazing. I'm going to link it down below, so do check it out. So it really moisturizes my under eyes. Wet n Wild photo focus primer, I'm applying it all over my face, and now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm going to link the product in the description box. All the products will be listed, so do check it out. And I'm going to directly move into my foundation next, and for my foundation I'm using a stick foundation by Makeup Revolution. I'm in the shade F12. It is a really nice match, but however I don't know why it looked really white on the camera. I was really tensed why it is looking so white on the camera, so I basically stopped recording and went outside and checked if it matches me or not. So it matches me to dot, but it just looks white on camera, so just ignore it guys. So here I adjusted the camera settings and I'm blending all my foundation in, and yeah, that's me adjusting the camera settings. Now I'm gonna go with the concealer, and I am using F12 concealer. It is teeny tiny bit lighter than my skin tone, but it does the job. It conceals as well as it brightens up. So I'm using it on all the usual parts of my face. And now I'm taking the PAC Beauty blender and I'm just blending it everything out very seamlessly. Now I'm using the RCMA No Color powder. I am setting my base makeup with this powder. This is a very nice and finely milled loose powder. I'm also setting my eyelids just to make a proper base for my eyeshadow, and I'm just setting all my base. And now I'm moving on to contouring. Before that I've just sprayed a little bit of Makeup Revolution setting spray. I'm just puffing it in just to set my face. And now I'm taking the contouring powder from Savannah Color. It's a palette, and I'm taking the darkest shade and I'm just lightly contouring my face. I'm not going very overboard with my contouring because I really like subtle contouring, so I'm just going in with that. I'm just contouring my cheekbones and forehead, my jawline and my nose. For contouring I'm using the Real Techniques face brush, and for my nose I'm using the Real Techniques eye brush, the blending brush. It works really well. And now I'm gonna jump onto my blush, and for my blush I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild color icon. This blush looks pink, but it is in reality is a very nice coral shade with little sparkle and glitter. For my eyes I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette, and if you can see, this is my brow bone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack under this brow bone and I'm going to smoke the color over the brow bone. So I'm going to take the lighter shade, just buff it in, blend it, and I'm going to take this brown shade, just intensifying the color. Just blend all the colors because blending is the key. Take your time and just blend all the colors very seamlessly. And now I'm going to intensify using the darkest brown and the black shade. The black in this palette is however very patchy, so make sure take a little bit of this color and just blend it really well. Take your time and blend it well. Taking all those shades that I've used for my outer corner, I'm just taking all those shades for my inner corner, blending it in, and I'm connecting the harsh edges. Now I'm taking this metallic golden shade. It is a dull gold shade. I'm packing it and dabbing it on center of my lid, and I'm just making it sure that everything is blended really well and there are no harsh edges. Taking these three shades, I am smoking out my lower lash line. I'm taking the lightest color and building up to the darkest color. I'm just smoking out and blending my lower lash line. Taking a kohl pencil, I am drawing an invisible liner and I'm also lining my lower lash line. For my eyes, I've just applied a thin line over my eyelids and I've just call it a day, and these are both of my eyes done. Now for my lips, I'm using the Jaclyn USA Liquid Matte Lipstick. It is a nice maroonish red shade, very matte. Using this Kiko Milano lash mascara, I'm just coating my lashes and my makeup is done. I've skipped the eyelashes, but if you want them, you can put them on. And that's it. I am done with this look. I really hope you guys liked it. And if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye.